Hello, my name is Adrienne Wallace, and today I'm going to discuss Learning Management System or LMS platforms and video-based learning. As educators, we use LMS platforms all the time, whether it's Canvas, Google Classroom, or others, but we don't always stop to think about how well they actually support learning. So today, I want to go beyond just using an LMS and really explore how LMS are chosen and what makes them effective. Let's first begin with what is an LMS? A learning management system is a digital platform used to create, deliver, manage, and track learning or training programs. It is more than just a place to upload assignments. It is a complete learning environment that supports teaching, learning, communication, and assessment. It is essentially a digital platform that allows teachers to 1. Share content, assign and submit work, track progress, deliver content, assign and collect work, and communicate with students. Now let's look at the history of LMS and how it all began. Learning management systems did not appear overnight. They evolved alongside technology and changes in how education is delivered. LMS evolved through several stages. 1. Distance learning. Before 1990s, we had distance learning through the mail and then radio and on TV. This is the pre-digital distance learning stage. Next, computer-based training. It's the introduction of computers in education. There were standalone systems, no internet at this time. Next, emergence of the internet LMS, late 1990s, early 2000s. The internet became widely available and the first LMS platforms appeared. Next, we had widespread adoption of LMS in education and corporate. Next were the cloud-based systems and AI-driven interactive platforms. LMS becomes a central hub for online learning. LMS development reflects the shift from traditional teaching to online to interactive learning environments. What are the core functions of an LMS? An LMS typically does three main things. 1. Manage users. Enroll students or employees. Assign roles like teacher, student, admin. Next, deliver content. You can upload videos, documents, presentations. Organize lessons into modules or units. And lastly, track learning. Monitor grades, completion of assignments, and progress. Generate reports and analytics. What are some of the top leading LMS programs today? 1 is Google Classroom. It is the most widely used LMS globally, holds the largest market share. Its strengths: it's easy to use, it's free for schools, seamless Google integration, and best for K-12 schools and teachers who want simplicity. Then there's Canvas LMS. Dominates in higher education, especially in the US. It holds a large share of university enrollments. Its strengths are strong integration of Google, Zoom, etc., user-friendly design, robust analytics, and is best for colleges and universities and advanced K-12 districts. Then there's Moodle, one of the most widely used open source LMS platforms worldwide. Its strength is it's highly customizable, free, and flexible. Limitations is it requires technical expertise, but is best for institutions needing customization. Next is Blackboard Learn, one of the oldest and most established LMS platforms. Its strengths: comprehensive features and strong assessment tools. Limitations are it's less intuitive than newer systems and is best for large institutions with complex needs. There's D2L Brightspace. It's a growing LMS, especially in higher education. Its strengths: strong analytics, personalized learning features, best for data-driven institutions. Then there's Schoology. It's popular in K-12 education. Its strengths is it combines LMS with social learning. It's also a strong classroom communication tool. Then there's corporate LMS leaders like Talent LMS, Cornerstone On Demand, and Docebo. These are widely used for employee training, compliance, and professional development. Next is the criteria for assessing and selecting an LMS. The first is alignment with learning goals. That's the most important. Questions to ask is, what do learners need to achieve? Is the LMS for K-12 instruction, higher education, or corporate training? The LMS must support content delivery, skill development, and assessment. If it doesn't align with your goals, it's the wrong system. Next is learner needs, student-centered design. You must consider age group. Is it high school versus adults? Next, digital skill level and accessibility needs. You should look for easy navigation, mobile access, inclusive design. If students struggle to use it, learning suffers. Ease of use, usability. Ask, is it intuitive for teachers and students? How steep is the learning curve? Look for a clean interface, simple workflows, and minimal training required. Powerful LMS is useless if it's too complicated. Next is your content management capabilities. The LMS should allow you to upload videos, documents, and interactive content. It should organize lessons into modules and support multimedia learning. This is important for structured instruction as well as clear learning pathways. Next is assessment and feedback tools. You should look for, is it capable of incorporating quizzes and assignments, automatic grading, rubrics, and feedback options. Strong LMS equals supports formative plus summative assessment. Next is interaction and collaboration. This connects directly to transactional distance theory and our community of inquiry. Ask, does it support discussion boards, messaging, group work? More interaction equals better learning. Next is your integration capabilities. Can it connect with tools you already use? Example, Google Drive, Nearpod, Zoom. Integration equals smoother workflow plus better instruction. Analytics and reporting. Look for student progress tracking, engagement data, performance reports. Does it help you identify struggling students and adjust instruction? Accessibility and inclusivity. The LMS should support captions, screen readers, and keyboard navigation. It must align with WCAG and ADA. Accessibility equals better learning for all students. Cost and pricing model. Consider subscription versus one-time costs, cost per user, and hidden fees. It must fit within your budget and long-term sustainability. You have to look at also the type of LMS. Choose between cloud-based, easy access, automatic updates, or open source like Moodle, which is customizable and requires technical support, or custom built, fully tailored, could be expensive. Next is security and privacy. Look for data protection, secure login, FERPA compliance for schools, critical when handling student data. And lastly, scalability and flexibility. Ask the questions, can it grow with your program? Can it handle more users? This is important for schools, districts, and organizations. To make this easier, you can evaluate an LMS based on Bates Sections Framework. S, students, E, ease of use, C, cost, T, teaching and learning, I, interaction, O, organizational issues, N, networking, and S, security. This framework ensures a balanced, research-based evaluation. Which LMS is used at my workplace? My district, the East Baton Rouge Parish School System, uses Google Classroom for assignments. We use Google Docs, Google Sites, Google Forms, and Drive-based submissions. The East Baton Rouge Parish School System relies on Google Workspace for education, with Google Classroom as the LMS. How was it chosen? The most likely reasons are cost and accessibility. Google Classroom is free for schools, no licensing fees, which is a huge advantage for public school districts. Next, integration with existing tools. It's seamless with Google Docs, Slides, Drive, and Gmail, which make teaching and student workflow easier. Next, ease of use. Simple interface and minimal training required. That's important for teachers with varying technology skills and students across grade levels. Next, accessibility and device compatibility. It works on Chromebooks, phones, and tablets. Many districts, including mine, uses Chromebooks, which pairs perfectly with Google Classroom. Next, scalability across the district. It can be used school-wide and district-wide. It's easy to deploy and manage at scale. Supports blended and remote learning. Became essential during COVID. Supports assignments, communication, and feedback. Many districts adopted it or expanded it during that time. Alignment with instructional needs. It supports content delivery, assignment submission, and basic collaboration. While not as advanced as Canvas, it meets core instructional needs. My thoughts on Google Classroom. Overall, I think Google Classroom is a strong, practical choice for our district because it's easy to use, accessible, and efficient. However, to truly maximize student engagement and higher order learning, it works best when combined with additional instructional tools and strategies. Among these, video-based learning stands out as an effective method for promoting active engagement and deeper understanding. Videos can include embedded questions and real-time feedback to prevent passive viewing. But what is video-based learning? Video-based learning is an instructional approach that uses video content, often enhanced with interactive elements such as embedded questions, prompts, or discussions to support student understanding and engagement. Effective video-based learning is not just about showing videos. It's about designing learning experience around videos. Strong VBL equals intentional plus interactive plus accessible plus aligned to learning goals. Let's start with clear learning objectives. Before choosing or creating a video, you must ask, what should students know or be able to do? Every video should have a purpose. 2. Keep the videos short, like micro-learning. Focus on one concept at a time. Why? Because students' attention drops quickly. Long videos equal lower retention. Therefore, we should break longer topics into smaller chunks. Next, make videos interactive. Add embedded questions, polls, clickable elements, pause and think prompts. This turns students into active learners and not just passive viewers. Next, include frequent knowledge checks. Ask questions during or after the video. Use multiple choice, short response, quick checks. This helps to reinforce understanding and provide immediate feedback. Next, use real-world application. This is higher order thinking. After the video, include practice tasks, problem-solving activities, and/or projects. Move students beyond watching to doing. Next, align with Bloom's taxonomy. Make sure your videos include remember or understand watching a video. Then apply practice task, analyze, problem solving, evaluate, peer review, and then create your final project. Videos should be the starting point, not the end point. Next, follow the Understanding by Design model. Start with learning goals, plan assessments, then use the video as part of your instruction. Don't build lessons around the videos. Build videos into your lessons. Next, encourage interaction and collaboration using discussion boards, group work, or peer feedback. Learning improves when students talk, share, and/or collaborate. Next, use storytelling and context. Present context in scenarios or real-life situations. Make learning more engaging and more memorable. Next, ensure high-quality multimedia, clear audio, clear visuals, and easy-to-read text. Poor quality equals reduced engagement. Next, design for accessibility. Include captions, transcripts, audio descriptions, or readable visuals. Accessibility benefits all learners, not just those with disability. Next, make it mobile friendly. Ensure videos can work on Chromebooks, phones, or tablets. It should support anytime, anywhere learning. Next, use data and analytics. Track completion rates, engagement, and performance. Use data to adjust instruction and identify struggling students. Next, test and improve. Get student feedback. Revise videos. Fix confusing parts. Continuous improvement is the key. Now let's look at what makes a video strong versus a weak video. Weak VBL equals long videos, no interaction, no follow-up, passive learning. Strong VBLs equals short and focused, interactive, includes practice assignments, aligned to learning goals, and accessible. The final takeaway here is video doesn't create learning, design does. When we align video with Bloom's taxonomy and Understanding by Design, we move from passive viewing to purposeful, engaging, and meaningful learning. As educators, we should ask not just what video should I show, but how will this video support critical thinking, engagement, and learning? Because when video is used intentionally, it becomes one of the most powerful tools we have. We must remember, video is not the lesson. It is a tool within a well-designed learning experience. In conclusion, learning management system and video-based learning are not just tools, they are powerful drivers of modern instruction. An LMS provides the structure, organization, and accessibility needed to support teaching and learning at scale, while video-based learning brings content to life through engagement, flexibility, accountability, and deeper understanding. When used together, they create a dynamic learning environment that meets students where they are and support a wide range of learning needs. LMS and VBL, when thoughtfully integrated, have the potential to transform not only how we teach, but how students experience learning. Thank you.